Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can disable your store password in Shopify. So what we have to do is log in into myshopify.com as an admin. This is my store, and let's say I want to get rid of the password. What I have to do is go to online store and click in here. Then go to navigation, which is number 4 option underneath the online store. And as you can see, your online store is password protected. So if someone wants to visit your store, they have to add the password to get into it. And I'm gonna click on remove password. It will take me to preferences. Well, I can go straight up to preferences, but this way it's more convenient for you. And then there is a password. What I need to do is just delete the password and save changes. The problem is that password can't be blank because I'm using this account as a trial to show you all the videos that I want to create in Shopify and not leak my personal information on my Sharp Shopify account. So I'm using this trial option. If you need to get, or if you want to get rid of the password, you have to pay at least €1 a month for basic starter plan, and your Shopify store won't need any password. And that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.